So initially I entered this trade earlier today, so I think I still have a screenshot or either a video I did earlier on. So I entered this trade around this zone here, because when I saw this sweep of liquidity and price did this, entered a trade around this level. You get, I wanted to snipe it, you get, and take it to this level, but market went halfway, almost this level, and took me out. Okay, so I waited also again, because whatever I'm doing here, logically you are not supposed to sell, no matter who you are in the market. You selling is selling at a premium, like I always say. If I have an idea of buying, I want to buy from a discount, and if I have the idea of selling, I want to sell from a discount. Okay, so understand it, and it makes your trading journey so comfortable and easy for you too. So what I had to do is, since I took a loss on that account, I re-enter the trade here. Now you might be wondering, what is the confirmation? Why did I enter this trade? Now I looked at this particular fall like this. Wait, hold on, because sometimes in the market, not everything is textbook. You have to understand chart pattern, understand all this shit. Okay, so this market can retrace down and still continue to go up. Okay, but that's by the way. Now when I marked out this downward trend, I already saw that I'm already in the discount. Anything I want to buy from this level, I'm going to be buying from a discount, even if this market will continue to sell down, which the possibility is so tiny, because market is trying to correct or consolidate. Or if it's doing any of the above, I'm already in this trade. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is quickly wait for some sort of bullish engulfing. Okay, bullish engulfing, which I did enter early enough, because when I saw this, look at from here, this is a trend line from here. Now at this particular zone, this is where I would have entered this trade, keep my stop loss some pips below the low here, and trade it into this place as first take profit, then this level as second take profit. Right, so that's basically that. Alright, so welcome back, guys. I think this trading thing is beginning to look like a joke. Okay, sorry about it. I hope market makers and big banks will not see this video and be mad, but I think with the right idea and approach, all your wish can come true. Okay, it can come true. Now imagine this. The first trade I entered earlier today, I hit a stop loss. With this move, this particular move now was the one that hit my stop loss. 1:20. I should be out of this trade, right? But I want to take this high out. Once I take this high out, I will leave the trade, because by then I might have recovered my losses for the day. So it's pretty much the same thing. Okay, since I didn't catch this early entry in the morning, okay, I came to the market, and the market have done all these things, this wonderful move here, and I'm pretty much happy for everyone who were able to catch that breakout, because this is more of a breakout. There is no much confirmatory entry, but if you trade the 4-hour trading strategy that I also shared in this video, you might have seen that it also worked out. Okay, because trading the forex market is more like a confluence. It's pretty much a confluence. Once you get in, you enjoy yourself. All right, so I shared this video. I'm sharing this video to tell you that it's possible to do this. It's possible to do this, because with your phone, with your system, you can do this. You don't need a big screen. Okay, so and like I'm always saying, give me a little while. I'm putting up a book that will help you see the market for what it is. Okay, see the market entirely for what it is. Now, for some of you who is also doubting to know, like you always have people who are doubting. Okay, they're always doubting and doubting and doubting. Okay, now look at this trade. I'm already up in profit. I'm up in profit. Earlier today, I took a loss. I took a loss of $142 in the same trade. Now this trade is almost giving me I take profit. I can still adjust this trade here. So that's pretty much everything you needed to know for today, because this is more like a trade recap. You can always buy, you can always sell in the market. Okay, whichever one you're doing, do it smartly, do it wisely, and I wish you guys all the best. All right, all the best. Now I can still lift this trade to go up. Okay, to go up during the Asian session, but I do not want that because you're almost late in the market and I'm just coming to see this. Okay, so I'll let this trade take profit, and I will end the day in a good win. Okay, so thank you guys for the time being, and until next time, keep bagging that profit.